Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check it out. Today it's snowing out, and we are taking a friggin' hamburger, tying it to the drone. Right here. Here's the cheeseburger. Watch, ready? Taking the cheeseburger and going fishing for humans. So, watch. Check it out. All right, ready? You recording? There's a cheeseburger. Drone cheeseburger, take one. Drone cheeseburger control.
Look, it's gonna get stuck on like something, dude.
Oh, don't get my burger stuck. I got money invested in the burger.
It's like what?
You want a cheeseburger? hey, somebody order a cheeseburger?
You made it sit there and McDonald's, see that burger coming here.
Let me get a bite. Yeah, film me getting a bite. It's already playing. Let me bite it. Ready? Film me. Let me bite it. You gotta go back. Ready?
Don't bite it. All right,
Guys, here we are with the burger drone, and we get the pilot sitting in the seat, navigating in the Jeep. We're getting people right there walking into the store. So stay tuned. Take off. Burger drone, take one. No, easy with the burger, easy with the burger, easy with the burger, easy with the burger. Oh, drone burger. Tell them to lower it. It's called the burger drone. It's a cheeseburger on there. It's a cheeseburger. It's a cheeseburger
I
on
actually fly drones.
there. You do?
Yeah, man. I was like, damn, I seen the burger. I thought the burger was...
Right here. Right there. Already got it. There you go. Cheeseburger drone, take one.
Damn, that's steady, too.
It is real steady.
Yeah.
Lower it.
I see, I forget what... That is fun. Oh, it's got a daggone reel or whatever.
Oh, it's got everything, yeah.
That is awesome.
Lower it.
Uh-oh, that is good. Yeah, I'm more into the FPV. You know what I'm saying? That is cool.
She's trying to catch it.
Cool,
She wants the burger.
I'm ready, ain't gonna believe this.
She don't gonna believe it. Hey, say hi to my YouTube channel. You want to be on YouTube?
Huh?
You want to be on YouTube?
Yeah, all right.
Say what's up, YouTube?
All right, what do I look?
Hey, say hey, what's up? It's Mark.
What's up? This Mark?
This is Mark.
You're Mark.
I'm Mark.
Okay,
What's
yeah,
up?
I'm Chris. What's
Chris,
up,
nice to meet you,
YouTube?
Chris.
Yeah, I get it.
You like that, huh? What do you like better, the cheeseburger or the drone?
The drone and the cheeseburger.
All right, y'all.
All right, but be good. Stay
what's the
safe.
channel? What's the
It's
channel?
What's Up, It's Mark.
What's up, it's Mark?
What's Up, It's Mark. Yeah,
I'ma
type
go
that in, you'll see me.
subscribe, bro. I'ma
The YouTube
subscribe
channel is
now.
called What's Up, It's Mark.
All right, man. Y'all
All right,
take
baby.
it easy.
Be good. All right, there it is. There it is.
A hamburger?
Yeah. That's a hamburger.
My buddy's gonna get in there, but
Oh, okay. Is that him?
hey, Mark, did you get the Gordon Fisherman?
Huh?
The Gordon Fisherman
No.
in the truck.
Get out here and take a picture too.
Yeah. It's the Cheeseburger Drone.
Hey, Mark, I just subscribed, bro.
Oh, you're the man. You're the man. We got a subscriber, guys. My boy right there. Hey, stay safe out there. You'll see you'll see the video in a minute. All right. Hey, you'll see the video in a minute. I'm putting it up here in about 20, 30 minutes.
Telling my boy now. He flies drones, too.
Yeah, Mark, go towards the door. Oh, here's a good one. Here's a good one. Here's a good one. What the hell is that?
You controlling that?
Yeah. Say what?
There's no life.
No life?
There's no life.
Ah, no life. Cheeseburger's my life. You like that? It's a cheeseburger drone. A cheeseburger, McDonald's. It's a cheeseburger drone.